underground for sources of energy, but instead of coal, scientists have now found endless supplies of hot water, heated by rocks near the Earth's core, right under the city centre.
Green energy where once they made Newcastle brown. As our science editor Lawrence McGinty reports, the celebrated warmth of the Geordie people of Newcastle may be resting on prehistoric foundations.
On a site where once they made Newcastle's famous brown ale stands a unique £1 million drilling rig. These men are usually drilling for oil or gas, but here they're boring deep into the rocks 2,000 metres down and hoping to strike not gas or oil, but water, hot enough to heat homes and buildings.
This is the water that's coming up from 1,500 metres underground. I can feel the warmth through the flask, but they've got another 500 metres to go. And when they finally get down to 2,000 metres, it'll be hot enough to heat the science centre they're going to build on this site.
Engineers are using a drill just like the one that rescued the Chilean miners. They've reached 1,500 metres. When they get down to 2,000 metres, the water they bring up will be 50% hotter than the UK average at that depth. Sandstone above the water is acting like an insulating blanket, and they think they can extract heat from hot water pumped up at 70 to 80 degrees.
It's the drill bit we're using in the lower section. And PDC bits, industrial diamonds impregnated across the cutting area here. And in the centre, they're jet nozzles, so the water's pumped down, chews up the rock in front of it, and that rock is then, the little cuttings are picked up and pushed up to surface.
And engineers from Newcastle University say this is just the start. There are other places where geothermal energy could work.
We'll be looking at, to use the jargon, gigawatts, but in everyday speech, a serious amount, a large percentage of all the space heating and cooling that we use in the UK.
Geologists examining the mud from the borehole have made a surprising discovery. They found fossil corals which show this area was once as warm as the Bahamas. And maybe soon geothermal energy will make it warm again. Lawrence McGinty, ITV News, Newcastle.
William and Kate, the Duke and Duchess